What's going on, everybody? My name is Mario. This is a channel all about amusement park type stuff, but
mostly coasters!
And today, we're in freezing cold San Diego, checking out SeaWorld's brand new roller coaster, Arctic Rescue. Let's hop on.
Let's talk about amusement parks, like rides in the dark. Rides right here and rides all over, but mostly coasters, mostly coasters. We'll talk about all kind of things, but mostly coasters.
So in addition to Arctic Rescue being a brand new roller coaster that's opening, it's also a brand new hard seltzer. Is it delicious?
That's so good.
Oh, that's really, really nice. It's fruity, it's like berry-y, lemony. And it's coaster themed, most importantly. All right, so we're about to get on. First time for me in the front row, first time for Javi ever. Are you excited, dude?
From what I've heard, like the whispers around that it's similar to Wavebreaker, which is one of my absolute favorite SeaWorld coasters, so I am really excited.
What do you think's gonna be better, the seltzer or the ride?
I really like that seltzer.
The seltzer's gonna make the ride more fun.
Yeah.
All right, we're on. Show them how it's done. Yeah. Oh, there go the gates. All right, rolling into launch number 1. Whee! Oh, that's fun. Woo. Oh, it's so fun up here. The wind's just blowing in our face, doing all kinds of twisties and turns. Are you loving it so far? Yeah, launch number 2, baby. And we're going high up. There's a helicopter down there. Wind gusts. A little hill. Whee! Oh, I love this twisty section. Yeah. All right, third launch. It's the fastest one. Oh, this is my favorite part right here. Yeah! And an overbank turn. Some squigglies. We're back!
Yeah.
What did you think of that?
Oh my gosh, that was so fun!
Is that maybe your new favorite here?
Absolutely my new favorite.
Dude, it is so fun up front. It's great in every row. I've ridden middle, front, back. This thing is phenomenal. Do you love it or what?
I really truly thought that the best part of Wavebreaker was the water, and then being on this, like the theming is phenomenal.
The theming is amazing,
so
right? Yeah. I just noticed a fun little detail. The snowmobiles are electric. Because, you know, that's better for the environment. Dylan from Theme Park Obsession. The seltzer's so good. Dylan from Theme Park Obsession, what did you think about it?
It was great. I actually really like this ride. It's smooth. It's actually pretty forceful in the front. And overall, this is a good family coaster. I think for the lineup here at SeaWorld, because they have like a mixed bag of everything. They have like the really thrilling stuff.
Exactly what Javi was saying.
They have like the little kid stuff, and then they have this, which is like meant for a broader audience, but not so intense like Emperor is, you know?
We just did another ride in the middle, Javi. Well, how was that? Still amazing, huh?
Super fun.
I'm liking it more and more. It's so good. And now that we've gotten to ride Arctic Rescue a handful of times, we're going to go learn a little more about it from Tyler Carter, SeaWorld San Diego's Vice President of Operations.
So Arctic Rescue is the longest, fastest straddle coaster here on the West Coast. You navigate about 2,800 feet of track, max speed of 40 miles an hour. Best part is you're boarding a snowmobile and actually driving, weaving through the icy twists of the Arctic. It's the coolest thing. My favorite part has got to be the second launch through the tunnel. I think that's the coolest part. The start launch is pretty cool, but like the middle one through a tunnel, it's awesome.
One of my favorite parts is the theming. It came together beautifully, so I'd love to know more about the theming.
So our goal was to really replicate what a true Arctic mission is like. So you'll notice when you're out on the attraction, there's helicopters, there's jeeps, there's snow on the pathways. Like the goal is that you're truly a part of an Arctic mission, because it's tying back to our goal of really sharing with all the guests all the different things we do for animals around the world.
And to touch more on that, just tell me a little bit more about the specifics of how this ties into animals in the wild and the Arctic.
So Arctic Rescue has a few things. So specifically when you end the attraction, you actually end up in the Wild Arctic exhibit, which will have beluga whales, walruses, ring seals, harbor seals that are actually from the Arctic. But on top of that, we have a new Arctic Rescue Seltzer and Arctic Rescue themed merchandise.
It's The seltzer is really good, by the way.
I got to help create it, so that's pretty cool. I love that. The color, the taste. The goal was that it tastes blue.
It does taste blue. I think I said that, so you nailed it.
That was the goal. So on top of that, proceeds from these sales actually go to the Alaska Sea Life Center, which is one of our conservation partners. So we got the partners in the area, and then obviously our rescue team here on site. It's awesome.
Awesome. And then just one more question. What is your favorite Arctic animal?
Mine is the beluga whales. I mean, look at them. Like,
Same.
how do you not? How do you not?
One thing that's really awesome is this whole little plaza area got a nice refresh with great educational signs. Looks really amazing as well. So a little piece of information that is worth knowing, something I wasn't aware of prior to today, there is actually a maximum height requirement of 77 inches. But yeah, so just keep that in mind that there is a maximum height requirement to Arctic rescue as well. So this is the locker area. You do have to put all your bags and loose articles into a locker before getting on the ride. But it's super fun that even the locker area has some theming all around. So one of the things that stuck around, which is really cool, is I believe it's the unloading area for the old Wild Arctic ride. I never got a chance to ride that ride, so I believe this is the exit. Could be wrong. But from here, you can actually pass through from the gift shop to the exhibit for the animals. You can go from the exit of the ride to the gift shop through this tunnel, or what we're gonna do is from the exit of the ride, now that we've gotten off it, go into the Wild Arctic exhibit. And this is one of my favorite animal exhibits out there. It's themed so well. It's so fun to have theming in an exhibit for animals, not just in the area that the animals are in, but also the area that we are in. I forgot how insanely nice this exhibit is. It's kind of nice that like the ride dumps you off into this area because it's like, hey, you should go in this really cool area, look at some animals, learn about them, enjoy a great vibe in general. Really fun. Javi, what's your favorite Arctic animal?
A walrus.
Not a beluga?
No, I love beluga whales.
We were looking at the list of all the Arctic animals, and it was like, oh no, that one's my favorite. Oh no, that one's my favorite. It's so hard to choose. I know I said beluga earlier, but I think I'm gonna have to go with Team Walrus. They're just, Javi and I have literally spent accumulative hours looking at walruses, so I think I'm Team Walrus. This exhibit's super cool, huh?
Super cool, literally cool.
Literally, yeah. This wall is like actually ice. It's freezing cold. Like here, touch your screen. Drew, what's your favorite Arctic animal?
Either a puffin or a polar bear.
Dylan, favorite Arctic animal?
Oh God, walrus.
Yeah, Team Walrus over here. All right. Who is the top selling artist in the Arctic?
What?
Seal. That sucks. And it's so fun that they have all this interactive stuff, especially for the younger ones. I know hands-on learning is definitely a fun and impactful way to learn. And you can also, if you want to get really up close with the belugas, there's a beluga encounter that you can book. You did that at SeaWorld San Antonio. It was like probably the single best moment of your life, right?
I can't recommend it enough. It was incredible.
So it's another great way to get up close and personal and learn even more information about those amazing animals. So not only are there new rides, new drinks, there's also new merch. There's all this Arctic Rescue merch that looks amazing. I love the logo for it. I love the icy feel of all the items. And then there's also all this great rescue merch, which obviously Javi loves. One of the things they have is this opening day shirt, which opening day is June 2nd. So when this comes out, you'll already be able to come down here and ride the heck out of this super fun ride. So even more new stuff. Rescue Junior is the revitalized play area for the kiddos. It looks really fun. Tons of stuff to do here and even more to learn. We love education, don't we?
Yes.
Okay, so we went up in that crazy thing. It was fun, don't get me wrong. It was a workout. The nets are so hard to get through. So if your child wants a challenge and wants to burn off energy, boy, they can burn off a lot of energy in there, because I know I did. One of the really fun things to do here are these little, what I like to call, wiggle walls, where you slam side to side and just bounce around. How's that? Fun?
Yeah.
And I don't know if y'all knew this, but Dolphin used to be a Javi trainer. Javi used to be a dolphin trainer.
Yeah.
So she misses stinky little dolphins, so we're gonna go check those out before heading out. Neon Arctic Rescue.
Hey, watch out!
Uh-oh. So we're now heading out. Had a fun time, right?
Super duper fun.
Arctic Rescue was absolutely phenomenal. Massive thank you to SeaWorld for having us out. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. Thank you guys so much watching. Thank you for watching so much of this video. Because if you made it to the end, you watched all of it. Go ahead and give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more content like this. And until next time, are you ready to go rescue something? Woohoo!